What's good, people? Thank you for joining me. Today, we've got the Orzly RX250K gaming keyboard. If you're just starting out or gaming on the budget, this is definitely the keyboard for you. Let's dive in. The RX250K is a tactile, full-size keyboard. The high-response membrane keys give you the edge. It's stylish and durable. This keyboard is all you need to push your gaming to the next level. The 19-key rollover support and the built-in anti-ghosting technology guarantee that every keystroke counts. It features multicolored LED backlighting with different modes and brightness settings that you can control directly from the keyboard. Here are the rest of the specs. If you're working from home, this keyboard is great for productivity. The design is ergonomic, great for prolonged use, and the base also features adjustable feet for improved wrist comfort. In the case of accidental spills, the keyboard has drain holes designed to let the liquid flow out quickly to mitigate damage. The RX250 is compatible with most operating systems, with nothing to install, just plug in and play. It's natively compatible with the Xbox Series X, PS5, and previous generations of consoles. So you can have that same great accuracy and feel when you game on your console. So what do you think? Let me know in the comments below if you're an entry-level PC gamer or building on a budget. Is this the keyboard for you? Elevate your gaming with the RX250K. If you want to be the first to know what we're up to, why not subscribe and follow us on social media? As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.